This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, July the 31st, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some pockets of showers and thunderstorms, one over Wisconsin, another over Missouri, some over the Intermountain West into the deserts, and some over the southern part of the country. Otherwise, the nation is fairly quiet. Watch warning map at before 1 in the morning. Severe thunderstorm warnings over southeastern Minnesota. Some flash flood watches over southern California in the mountains and up into the Sierras and Nevada. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet. This is a heat advisory. This goes into effect later today. This will be in effect until Tuesday, either Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening, and it will likely be expanded as the day goes on. Here's the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. And it shows a bullseye of 2.5 inches of rain near about Denison or Carroll, with lighter amounts down to about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch statewide. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see the 594 ridge building back over this state, centered somewhere in Oklahoma or Kansas. And with that, that's going to bring Triple H weather. Hazy, hot, humid. Highs will be back around 90 degrees again, with heat indices approaching or exceeding 105, especially in the heat advisory area. Monday, same story. Triple H. Hazy, hot, and humid. Highs in the upper 80s to low 90s. Heat indices at least over 105. Tuesday, Triple H. Hazy, hot, and humid. Highs in the upper 80s to low to mid 90s. Heat indices over 100 to 105 or higher. Wednesday, a front will have moved through. This will be a Tuesday night into Wednesday morning event. By Wednesday afternoon, the front is south of the state, so showers and thunderstorms possible Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning, and then clearing, temperatures cooling off. Thursday, here comes another batch of showers and thunderstorms in that area where you saw bullseye on the QPF chart. Highs will be in the 80s at that time. Friday, still some lingering showers and thunderstorms around according to the model. Otherwise, it will become partly to mostly sunny with highs in the 80s, which will be seasonal for the early part of August. And Saturday, starting off the first weekend of August, you can see the model shows some dry conditions. We agree with that, with highs in the mid 80s, with dew points in the 60s. Sunday, a week from today, a 594 ridge beginning to develop over the desert southwest. Will be in a west to west-northwesterly flow aloft with the storm track nearby. And with that, we could see some chances of showers and thunderstorms on an isolated to scattered basis, about a 20 to 30% shot. Highs will remain seasonal, low to mid 80s with dew points in the 60s to near 70. Move ahead into Voodoo, August the 11th. 594 ridge still in place over the desert southwest, with a trough over the eastern Great Lakes and eastern Canada, northwesterly flow aloft. We still could see some chances of showers and thunderstorms throughout the first week and into the second week of August, but on this date there happens to be none in the area. And at the end of the forecast, August the 17th, that trough really begins to dig in over eastern Canada into the Great Lakes, and the ridge begins to really pump up over the southwest and into the plain states. And with that, we could see some fairly cool temperatures if this holds out, maybe even highs that may not even make it out of the 70s. Won't that feel nice after a very hot summer we've been going through? Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.